Step 3. Add a service. Please note that Insight separates tanning services from regular services. If the service you'd like to add uses a tanning bed or you'd like to track minutes tanned, wait until Step 7 of training to add it in. Click Add Service. Choose a service code. This should be a shortened version of the full description that allows for easy searching. Service codes must be unique. Choose a description. This will be the full service name and can be longer than the service code allows. The department and category can be set for reporting and searching purposes. Select a department. You can also type in a new or existing department or category. Click Add New to add the department. Set the price of the service. Set the cost to the business per service. This is for commission calculation purposes as well as reporting purposes. Set the booking time to however long it should block off when booked. This can be adjusted per appointment when booking. If you'd like to designate time for processing or have the option to schedule parts of the appointment with multiple employees, check this box. Primary, technical or finishing. Time booked where the employee is working on the client. Processing. Time that is open to have an appointment booked in between. Set employee eligibility here. This can also be done in bulk from the employee screen.